Dahil ko pasalamat sa saad program nga ilag yung gihatag gimubo ang project karon nga gi-implement. So dako gyud kayo improvement sir para sa among asosasyon ang gihatag nga implementation nga project sa saad program sa among asosasyon.
The Special Area for Agricultural Development Program of the Department of Agriculture is a locally funded project that provides agricultural and fisheries interventions related to rice, corn, high-value crops, livestock and poultry, and other post-harvest facilities, prioritizing the marginalized and remote areas of the country that have not yet received support from DA regular programs. The SAAD Central Visayas provides diverse forms of support tailored to meet the needs of our beneficiaries, helping them to manage, enhance, and sustain the program's interventions. To achieve the program's ultimate goals, social preparation is conducted to ready beneficiaries for their specific interventions based on the findings from the beneficiary needs assessment in their areas.
Kung ako kasuna di ko kay ba kung say purpose lang gihimo na makadugan ato income mo negosyo sa atong barangay.
Livelihood assistance is offered to empower beneficiaries to become entrepreneurs.
Ako kay namo pasalamat nga ako ang usa sa napilian nga makadawat na ining SAAD program nga intervention o lako kay katabang sama naman nga karon pag nakadawat ang barangay ng kaugsaman niini kada kung tangkad namo sa SAAD program.
While marketing assistance supports them in developing their enterprises and improving their socio-economic status.
Kanila nga area kani nga eggplant na siguro mga 20,000 a month siguro sa kuan pa na gross pa na siya. Dako kaayo gyud og ikatabang ang gardening gawas nga maka-income ka. Padaghan ang kanang malipay ba makabenepisyo sa farming.
By the end of the SAAD Phase 2 in Central Visayas, the SAAD program looks forward to the success of the program in transforming the lives of the beneficiaries, leaving them a glimpse of hope and striving to improve their way of life.
We in SAAD Region 7 will be a catalyst that will contribute in improving the lives of our Visaya farmers.
Sa buong bansa.
Sa SAAD